You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. From fashion, it's a type of textile, and it's a brand name. It's registered. Lurex, how to pronounce in English. Lurex yarn, or yarn as the Americans would say. Lurex. I think, yeah, the stress is on the second syllable. Lurex. How to pronounce Lurex yarn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.